to Beauty in the Boondocks. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my Jeffree Star Deluxe Summer Edition mystery box. So I got the 3 eyeshadows that everybody else got, as you can see, in the small Z palette. And I have them swatched on my arm. I'm going to show you. They're the top 3 right there on the left. Those are really pretty. And then I got the Extreme Frost in Lick My Glit. I'll show that one to you. And I've got it swatched already on my arm. It is right there on the far left here by the pink one on the left of it. It's kind of got a greenish, on camera it's greenish, but it's more of a pinkish, purpley color to it. But I will show it to you as well. Hang on just a moment and I'll get that out and we'll check it out. Here it is, Lick My Glit. It's really beautiful. I think I'm gonna enjoy that one. I'm gonna use it more probably on my eyes. I think it's good for a lid color to kind of give the pop in with your eyeshadow. I also think it would be good as a highlight. What you could do, you could wet a sponge and tap it in there a little bit, and it would probably help it set on your skin. I've heard that that's a good trick with that. So I really like that we got that in the box. And then we got the Beach Ball, of course. Everybody got that one. And something that was different with mine, let's see, this is the Supreme Gloss, and that is in Blow My Candles. I think that that was a little different than some other people got. And let's take a look at it. No, it was actually the same. It's that brown nude color that everybody was getting. It kind of looks like a light version of milk chocolate. Let me show you that swatch on my hand here. It's right here, if you can see it. It's not a bad color. It's kind of universal. I like it pretty well. And then I did get, here's what was different, I think. I got Dominatrix for the lip liner. It's a kind of a chocolatey brown color. I'll show it to you. I swatched it as well. It's right there. So it's quite universal. It'll go with quite a bit of things. So, and then a lot of people got Leo. It's that hot pink color, but I got Dominatrix instead. And of course, the Money palette. And you all, I'll show it to you. So here's Money palette. It's really pretty. If you look, this shadow right here called Secret Stash, that one is so different than any other shadow that I have. I swatched this palette on my arm too. Some of the shadows are very unique, but the casing's very nice too on these. I like the casing. It's very unique. And I'll show you the swatch. Starting in the middle row, left to right is the top row. As you can see, you get a mix of different satins and mattes and kind of shimmery shades. Those are really pretty. See that one right here on the left side, the brown color beside the black one from the left. Look how different that is. That is really beautiful. I love that one. The next thing I got was the velour lip scrub in Candy Necklace. It's kind of hard. I've never owned one of his velour lip scrubs, but to me it was kind of hard. Doesn't have much give in it. I think it's a true sugar scrub as well. Yeah, it smells just like a Candy Necklace. That's pretty nice. Next thing I wanted to show you that I got was this right here, the gloss, and that is in, I think that came from like the cremated, when he did that launch. Let me open that up and I'll show it to you. It's in the shade Heaven's Gate, and this is what it looks like. So it's pretty nice, and I have already swatched it so you can look and see what it looks like. It is right there in the middle. It's kind of a clear, finely milled glitter gloss. So quite universal. You can use it as a lip topper or by itself. The next thing I got was this velour liquid lipstick, and it's kind of a nude, I guess you could call it pinkish peach color, and it doesn't give an actual name for it. I think it might be exclusive to this box, but I swatched it as well. Let me show you what that looks like. Right there, that middle peachy color between the two glitters. So it's quite attractive. Very universally flattering, I think, with most people. Next thing I got was, of course, the Star Ranch palette, and I'll let you see that Star Ranch palette, the outside of it. It's pretty nice, and then we'll open it up for you here. See, that's very attractive. As you can tell, I've been kind of playing in that. So really pretty colors. A nice mirror to it. And I also swatched those for you all to look at. So here are the swatches from the Star Ranch palette. You can see them. I didn't do heavy swatches, but they're pretty nice. And there's the top one. So you could do a lot of different looks with that. Love it. I want to show you the Z palette too. Of course, I've already shown you the swatches. I'll show you again. It's the top three right there on the left. That is what came in the Z palette. And that's what they look like. The next thing I got was the mirror, and it looks like a popsicle. It's got Jeffree Star on it. It's quite nice. But not least, I got the 2X box because I wanted to make sure it was big for home, but we got this tie-dye purple and pinkish colored cut-off shirt. It's a tank top. Everybody got the same one. Go back and show it for you well. Anyway, you get the idea of it. Is really nice. Alright, well that's everything, and I thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.